Today I'm going to show you guys how to arrange this luxury orchid flowers you're seeing on your screen. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your flower vase prepped and ready for you to use your vase. We are going to use this artificial orchid plant and we're going to use this leaf as well. So the first thing we're going to do is to make sure that we cut the orchid flower the desired length that we want. I'll go ahead and start bending them.
You're also going to bend this. Already cut. Bend this.
After bending, I'll go in with my scissors to cut the remaining, and we are done. This is exactly the height we need. And in order for the plant to be secured, we have to attach another stem close to each and every single orchid flower in order to make it strong. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure they are secured. I'll be using wire this time around to make sure that each and every single flower secured with the stem attached to it. After using the wire, I feel like they look tacky. I'll use our hot glue gun instead of the wire for us to secure the plant. The next thing you would want to do is to make a hole using your scissors for where we're going to put our leaf, because I don't want to just put the leaf directly. I have to make a hole using scissors. Now that I have arranged every single thing inside the vase and I'm okay with how they look, the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that each and every single plant is secured permanently. So I'll be bringing out each flower with its stem. Then I'll go ahead and use our hot glue gun inside the hole that we just made using the flower. Then I'll put the flower back for it to be secure. The last thing you're going to do is to make sure that you put back each and every single leaf that fell. So this is exactly what I'm doing currently. I'm putting back each and every single leaf because I want the flower to look complete. And at the end, I am going to go ahead and start bending the orchid plant at the desired angle I want them to bend, and voila, we are done arranging our orchid flower. So if you guys want me to show you how to prep, you can go ahead and ask me in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and bye.